A wedding gown is more than a dress. It's a memory of a special moment when a new journey began for you and your family. It's an heirloom to be preserved and passed down so we can be sure the memory never fades. Family owned and operated since 1938, Janet Davis Cleaners has been entrusted to give the utmost care to your wedding gowns, special items, and heirlooms for generations. To keep your wedding gown in pristine condition for many years to come, we use a process known as wedding gown preservation. Starting with cleaning the garment, Janet Davis Cleaners uses only safe, odor-free, and environmentally friendly processes to clean and steam the wedding gown. We treat this process with extra care, cleaning every wedding gown individually, separate from the normal dry cleaning. With the wedding gown now impeccably clean, it is placed into a special chest that is fully acid-free and lignin-free. This ensures your gown will be protected and won't show any discoloration over time. At Janet Davis Cleaners, we pride ourselves in being certified by the Association of Wedding Gown Specialists, and our process is endorsed by the Association of Bridal Consultants. That's why we provide a lifetime guarantee against yellowing and hard creases that's backed by the Association of Wedding Gown Specialists, with partners in over 500 cities around the world. By providing the greatest attention and care to your special items, you can trust Janet Davis Cleaners to preserve your wedding gown for years to come.